students, welcome to Chem Free Tutorial. In this video, let's see Class 8 Science Curiosity Important 2-mark question and answers page-wise from Chapter 12, How Nature Works in Harmony. First, let's see question number 1. What are the similarities between pond and forest habitats? Answer: both habitats containing living organisms and non-living components. Both provide conditions necessary for organisms to survive. Question number 2. What do fish need to survive in a pond? Answer: fish need food, oxygen, shelter and space to grow in a pond. Question number 3. Give 2 examples of organisms live in a pond. Answer: frogs and snails. Question number 4. Name 2 plants found in a pond habitat. That is lotus and duckweed. Question number 5. Why do different organisms living in different habitats? Answer: different organisms require specific conditions such as food, water and temperature to survive. Question number 6. Why cannot habitat have only one type of organisms? Why can't a habitat have only one type of organisms? Answer: if only one type of organisms live in a habitat, they will compete for the food, water and space. This may cause scarcity of resources. Question number 7. How can we measure the population of organisms in an area? Answer: population can be measured by counting the number of individuals of a species in a given area. Question number 8. Give 2 examples of agents that help in pollination. Answer: wind and insects carry pollen from one flower to another. Question number 9. What is the role of insects in pollination? Answer: insects carry pollen grains from the stamen of one flower to the carpel of another flower. Question number 10. Why were there fewer dragonflies in pond A than in pond B? Answer: pond A had fish that eat dragonfly larvae, therefore the number of dragonflies was less. Question number 11. How do insects help in pollination? Answer: insects move pollen from one flower to another. This helps plant in reproduction. Question number 12. Why do ponds with fish have more flowering plants nearby? Answer: fish reduce dragonflies. This increases pollinating insects like bees and butterflies, helping plants produce more seeds. Question number 13. Give 2 examples of biotic interactions in nature. Answer: plants depending on insects for pollination, animals depending on plants for food. Question number 14. What is meant by interaction between biotic and abiotic components? Answer: it is a relationship between living organisms and non-living components of the environment. Example: earthworms living in moist soil. Question number 15. Give 2 examples of interaction between 2 abiotic components. Answer: day temperature becomes high due to bright sunlight. Water evaporates due to sunlight. Question number 16. Give 2 examples of interaction among biotic components. Answer: frog eats insects, water snake eats fish. Question number 17. Why do fish lay eggs near vegetation in water? Answer: fish lay eggs near plants to protect them from predators like other fish or frogs. Question number 18. Difference between aquatic and terrestrial ecosystem. Answer: aquatic ecosystem, that is water-based ecosystem. Examples: ponds, river, lakes. Terrestrial ecosystem is a land-based ecosystem. Example: forests, grasslands and farms. Question number 19. What is human-made ecosystem? Give an example. Answer: an ecosystem created or maintained by humans is called a human-made ecosystem. Example: farmland. Question number 20. Why are sunlight, carbon dioxide and water important for plants? Answer: they are necessary for photosynthesis, which helps plants prepare their own food. Question number 21. Differentiate between producers and consumers. Answer: producers makes their own food by photosynthesis. Example: trees and plants. Consumers cannot make their own food, depend on plants or animals for food. Question number 22. Write 2 examples each of herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Herbivores are deer, horse; carnivores, vulture, shikara; omnivores, fox, mouse. Question number 23. Why are plants called autotrophs? Answer: plants prepare their own food by photosynthesis, so they are called autotrophs. Auto means self, troph means food. Question number 24. Write the food chain shown in the grassland ecosystem. Answer: grass, grasshopper, frog, snake, eagle. Question number 25. What are producers? Give an example. Answer: producers are organisms that make their own food by photosynthesis. Example: grass, plants. Question number 26. What is the importance of a food chain? Answer: it shows feeding relationship among organisms. It shows how energy flow from plants to animals. Question number 27. What is the difference between food chain and food web? Answer: food chain is a simple sequence of organisms showing who eats whom. Food web is a network of many interconnected food chain. Question number 28. Why are decomposers important in nature? Answer. Decomposers break down dead plants and animals. They return nutrients to the soil. Question number 29. Give two examples of organisms in the food web shown in the figure. Answer. Rabbit, mouse, frog, bird, snake, hall, fox. Question number 30. Why do birds migrate? Birds migrate to avoid harsh climate and then to search for food and suitable habitats. Question number 31. Question number 31. How do migratory birds help the ecosystem? Answer. They act as pollinators or seed dispersers. They help control pests. Question number 32. Why do decomposers important in nature? Answer. Decomposers break down dead plants and animals and then they recycle nutrients back into the soil. That's all. 2 mark questions and answers gets over. We'll meet 3 mark questions in the next video. Like, share and subscribe Chem Free Tutorial. Thank you.